Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this stunning wedding guest makeup look, and I have created this gorgeous purple halo smoky eyes paired with a pink lip. That's basically a traditional wedding guest makeup look which I generally prefer to wear when I'm just attending a wedding or any of traditional parties. So I hope you will like this video, and you can even pair a nude lip with this eye look as well. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please continue watching. So before doing any sort of makeup, you need to moisturize your skin, and I have moisturized my skin using this simple skin moisturizer. Now it's time to do my eyebrows, and for the eyebrows I'm using an eyebrow pomade, and this one is from Loreal. So following the natural eyebrow line, I'm just gonna draw my eyebrows like this. So it's nothing complicated, you can easily draw it. Just follow your natural eyebrow line and then just align your brow. So I'm doing the same. Now using very small strokes, I'm gonna just fill in the gaps of my eyebrows like this. We'll be doing the same thing on my left eyebrow as well. Now taking a spoolie, I'm gonna just brush this out to distribute the product, and you can see my brows are looking so full and bold. Now I am using a primer. So using a primer is really essential for a wedding makeup or a party makeup, because primer helps in making your makeup last for a very long time. So it also helps in blurring out your pores. So if you use a primer underneath your makeup will be lasting for a very long time. Now it's time to correct the dark spots or pigmentation that I have on my face. I'm using a darker concealer for this purpose. So using a darker concealer just helps in cancelling out the darkness. You can also even use an orange corrector as well. But so I'm just correcting my under eyes, my spots that I have on my face with the help of this dark concealer. Now it's time to set my color corrector. So you should be setting your color correction, because if you won't set your color correction with the help of a loose powder or a compact powder, it will mix up with your next foundation and will make your foundation look a lot more orangish. So you need to set it and then apply your foundation on top of it. So you can see my color correction is done. Now for the foundation, I'm using this matte foundation from Elenblu. So it's a matte in texture. If you have dry skin, I would advise you to mix a little bit of oil with it and then apply. It just gives you such a nice coverage, such a nice finish, and it's really long lasting. So the undertone of this foundation is equally good. It's very good for my type of skin. So I'm just putting it in several dots all over my face and blend this out with the help of my Pune store makeup sponge. You can see it has given me such a nice coverage, and the undertone is really nice. So for highlighting, actually I'm using this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. The shade medium is not my shade, guys. It's a lot more lighter than my skin tone, so I just prefer to use it as a highlighting concealer. So I'm just putting it under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, and then just blend this out to just highlight my face. Now to set my foundation and concealer so that it would last for a very long time, I just need to use a compact powder or a loose powder, but today I'm using this compact from Elenblu, and the texture of this compact is really nice, guys. Though it's look a little white white on camera, but if you use it, you will be able to see how it looks. It looks really stunning. I really like it. I'm just using it for a few days and liking this product a lot. So you can see this is how my base makeup is looking now, and now it's time to do my eyes. And for the eye makeup, I'm using this Beauty Glazed Popping palette, which is said to be a dupe for the Morphe 35M Mood Boss palette. And at first I'm taking this dusty rose shade and using it all over my crease, as you can see. So it's crazily pigmented, guys. I was skeptical about that, but I have found it's really pigmented. Now taking this dark mauve shade in a tapered blending brush, I'm gonna put it in the outer and the inner corners of my eyes, and then just connect them together to create a gradient and the halo effect. You can see it is creating such a nice effect, so you have to blend it very well since they are really pigmented. Taking this matte purple shade from the palette in a petite crease brush, I'm putting it in the outer and the inner corners of my eyes and connect them together like this to intensify this halo effect, as you can see, and it has created such a beautiful gradient. Now using a concealer at the center of my lid to create the base for my next eyeshadow. So I'm using a concealer, and with the help of a small flat shader brush, I'm just spreading it just at the center of my lid. Now using this gorgeous shimmery purple shade from the palette, spritzing a little bit of fixer on it, just putting it on the concealer that I have put on my lid, and you can see it's such a stunning purple shimmery shade. Intensifying that previous matte purple shade a little bit to just make everything even out, just blending out the edges so that it look much more blend out. Now having this lilac shade from the palette, I'm just putting it just at the center to make it a lot more popped out. You can see. For the lower lash line, I'm using this dusty rose transition color that I have put in my crease, followed by that matte purple shade just in the outer 2/3 of my eyes, and blend it very nicely. Putting that shimmery purple shade just at the center of my lower lash line. So this is how it turned out now. For tightlining my eyes, I'm using a kajal, and this one is from In Color. It's really smooth, it's really buttery, it's very soft, and it's long lasting. You can use any kajal you have. Now I'm gonna just draw an eyeliner, and I'm creating a winged eyeliner with the help of this Elenblu liquid eyeliner. But today, I don't know why I can't create the perfect wing. I always try to create a perfect wing, but this time I don't know why. For the mascara, I'm using this Loreal Lash Paradise mascara in the variant waterproof. So it's one of my favorites, very good for everyday use, and you can see my lashes are looking quite thick. For the pair of false eyelash, I'm using this PAC Mink eyelash number M75, and this is how the eyes turned out. Now it's time to complete the rest of my face, and for contouring my face, I'm using my current favorite contour kit, and this one is from Nykaa. It's the Nykaa Contour and Conquer Contour and Highlight Duo. The name is really mouthful. I have done a complete in-depth review on this, guys. You can just click on that eye to watch it. So it's very good for creating artificial shadows on your face. So I'm just putting it in the hollows of my cheeks, also contouring my nose with the same as well. You just want a very good defined structured look for wedding. So for a pop of color, I'm using this Nykaa blush duo in the shade Brazilian Bombshell, and just mixing these two shades and apply it on the apples of my face. For the highlighter, I'm using again my favorite. This one is from Maybelline. It's the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and you can see it has got the perfect mix of gold and champagne shade, which looks stunning on Indian skin tone. So just applying this on the highest points of my face, on my nose, cupid's bow, chin, and also highlighting the inner corners of my eyes to open up my eyes, and highlighting my brow bone with the same as well. Now for the lips, I'm using this Colourpop Matte lipstick in the shade Poppin, which is a very nice bright pink shade which looks shiny at present, but after some time it will set to a complete matte lipstick. Setting my face with the help of this makeup setting spray from Wet n Wild to make your makeup last for a very long time. So this is how my makeup turned out. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you really liked this video, and if you did, then please hit on the like button, and you can wear this look to a lot of weddings and parties as well. Subscribe to my channel, guys, if you haven't already. I'll be bringing a lot of more beautiful videos like this. We'll see you soon, guys. Till then, take care. Bye.